Hello, this is Emmanuel and I'm going to show you what I did around Wasm in WildFly. So the first part is you need to register a Wasm binary so it's a Wasm WASI binary as a Wasm tool. So that is done through currently the MCP subsystem. So here you have a sample command where you just give it a name and a path to the Wasm binary. So here we have three Wasm tools, one chicory, dice, and pizza. Very, very simple. So the chicory is done in Rust, while dice and pizza are done using Golang. Then this Wasm tool can be exposed through CDI. Here we have an example for the chicory one. So you can see the @inject, the @wasm tool, and defining the name of the Wasm tool that we want to use. And it will be returned as a Wasm invoker. So Wasm invoker is an interface that enables you to call the Wasm method. And the Wasm method here can take, so it is, the call is happening, and you call the method exported method on the Wasm binary. So here it's great, and you pass to it a byte array, and it will return to you a byte array. So in our case, it just returns the string. Here we have the annotations that are for MCP tooling. So this function, this great function here, is exposed as a MCP tool for LLM application usage. What I did is the same code can be simplified using this annotation, Wasm tool service. So here we still have the same name, chicory. So, and this will create MCP tool again, as you can see, but it will create a dynamic proxy over this interface grid. And here it will call this, by default it will take this method name as the Wasm binary method exported method name, but you can of course redefine it here. I will show you how. And it will take a string and return a string. But we can be more, we can provide more elements. So here, for example, for the pizza example, so the Wasm method is retrieve pizzeria addresses, and while the name here is pizza. So we know that's going to be the name of the exported Golang method in that case. And here we are taking, so that's a string, the city, but this Wasm tool is expecting a JSON string, and so so we have here a class city JSON serializer that will take all the arguments from the method pizzas here and convert it to the expected format for the Wasm tool. So let's see it in action. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect to my I'm going to first start the server, so I need to clean install without a typo. Well, I'm showing just to you, here is the pom.xml using the WildFly Maven plugin and having the MCP server layer. So that's all that we need. Yeah. So now if I start it, okay, so WildFly is started, and I can connect to it. And here, if I list my tools, so I have the grid. So the first grid one I show you. So let's say WildFly here, and the rest is invoked and return the string. Here we can do it with our Wasm service tool. So WildFly service. And for our pizza, so let's see if there are some Hawaiian pizza available in Grenoble. And yes, we have several addresses and phone numbers if you want to book a pizza restaurant. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon. Bye.